everybody, call me Felix, and this is part 2 of some guy's birthday celebration who's, I don't know, his name is, yeah, some guy's birthday. And we're celebrating our nightcap, right? We've had, so far in the first part of that video, we had some excellent tomahawk ribeye steak, cooked rare to medium rare, perfect, of a charcoal grill that we made, or had made ourselves for way cheaper here in the Philippines. And we had some awesome king crab, Alaskan king crab, almost 30,000 pesos, everybody, $600 for king crab. And this is the nightcap. I have 2 birthdays practically. This is the Filipino birthday, and then I have my American birthday. And the American birthday is the real one. I mean, why do you want to work on my American birthday? I don't know. So, this is our nightcap. Well, we have cakes. And I'll get to that. I'll get to that, everybody. But this here is Hennessy XO. I mean, only reserved for special occasions. I mean, this is the creme de la creme of cognacs, as far as the big, you know, cognac houses. And this is like the stuff you drink once you've made it at some milestone too. So it comes in this fancy box, I guess, with Richard Hennessy's portrait. Did you know, guys, that Richard Hennessy is Irish? So even though his long family, you know, they're French and this is actually a name is not French. So you don't say, oh, I'd like some Hennessy XO. It doesn't work that way. Okay, so the original XO, Xtra Old Cognac. And of course, I'm not going to go into the history of Hennessy. I mean, read that stuff on your own if you want. I'm not going to do that for you, but yeah, this is purported to be the original XO. And then this comes in this awesome decanter that they've had designed since 1947. Oh, I gave you a historical tidbit. Yeah. And then what makes it extra old is that it's made out of different types of eau de vie, or you like to call it water of life, literally. And with this Hennessy XO, it's made with a certain type of cognac grape. And then they have different types of ages to the eau de vie that they keep mixing. And they range from about 11 to 30 years old. So we're talking about, you know, stuff that I used to talk about in a past life. So, which is like to say potent potables, for lack of a better term. So you can see here what a lovely decanter that is. There's some grapes on the side there. And, you know, you pay over 12,000 pesos for this. You don't want, or let's see, that's about $240. I guess the import duties are tacked on. So you want to keep this decanter as a souvenir. Well, keep it as a trophy, I guess you could say. Alright, we're gonna pour that, and then later on, we should stay for cake. We're gonna do a red ribbon review of this. It looks like a chocolate Yule log. I think I've had this before. And then I've had Ferrero Rocher sansrival before. From La Preciosa. There, I'll leave a link up there. I basically said it's really refined, except that it's not the kind of decadent sweetness I'm looking for. But of course, to pair with cognac. I mean, dessert, chocolate, and cognac. Please. Awesome. And of course, Warren.
Well, sir.
Oh, sorry.
For me.
He had pulled together a surprise cake for me, so we might try that later. It's 3,000 pesos. With this Ferrero Rocher costs 2,000-ish. Your cake,
yeah,
that weird novelty
all the
cake,
things was expensive. I mean, all the ingredients was expensive.
All the ingredients, maybe the design was expensive, but that was it.
Your boys got this for you! I will help you to open this.
Yeah.
Sir, happy birthday.
Thank you. Francine's? Who's Francine?
No, no, sir. Don't worry about who she is. Look about what she.
Four men must lift the box together.
Okay. Your pants, they bother me. Take them off. Ah!
The design.
JP, come over here.
It was a thought that counts, cousin.
Yeah. So, get the thought process here, because you were also kind of disappointed that 3,000 pesos was spent on that.
I thought it was gonna be real hair on the cake. Hair, real hair.
Okay, but show him what must have gone on with the guy at the cake. No. I mean, what happened with like the, you know, what the guy must have talked to you about, to Warren about, and the same approach.
Warren, what is he talking about, Warren?
He's.
I have to hide behind you.
You have to do that character you did off camera about what do you want on there? You know, do you want to landing strip? that one. Dang it, JP!
I forgot it, cousin.
You
hold on.
You forgot that creepy character.
I forgot the creepy character. Sorry. I don't know. Sorry.
He's not quite sobered up yet after his 3-hour nap.
Sorry, I had a nap, guys. It's hard. Hello.
And then he was surprised to know that all our tomahawk steaks were eaten up.
It was gone. Jesus, who ate them all?
A lot of us did.
Yes, but it was delicious.
But now they are gone, and now you know we have king crab. We'll have for leftovers, and we want dessert. And I know I want cognac. I know you guys want cognac. Your first time to drink a 12,300 peso bottle of liquor.
One shot it costs 1,000 pesos.
Really? I don't know.
Look. Look the bottles looks.
Okay, so that's our unboxing of the Hennessy. Would you like to do the honors? No?
40% volume.
Okay. Do the honors.
You gonna open now?
Yeah.
Created by Maurice Hennessy in 1870 for his circle of friends, XO was born a turning point in history and introduced a new style of cognac without comparison. Okay? Its intense and deep color is a sign of its robustness. Flavors of ganda, fruit, and subtle, lightly spiced tones develop from the plain in complete harmony. I don't care.
But I don't care.
How to open this one?
Ah, ye youngins. You have got no appreciation for it. I'll bake that into you yet. Young whippersnappers. Be very gentle. That's a 12,300 peso bottle of cognac. You're twisting the knob of.
Ah! How to open this one?
Well, I know. Disappointed in you. You're supposed to be very strong.
Gio!
There you are.
That's as easy as it is to open that? 12,000 peso bottle? Gio! I'm not gonna call you twice!
So that's the...
Oh my
More.
god.
There you go. That's it. So you need
Oh,
to-
it's 5 pesos. No, it's 20 pesos. What's your glass, guys?
Okay, you guys take a seat. And I know there are not enough chairs. You get to sit across from me so that
Malaya.
you can...
So let's sip.
You've been wanting to try this.
Okay, let's put...
Maleo!
Okay.
I'm not gonna call you again! Come over here.
Okay, let's put the cakes to the side, everybody, so we can enjoy our cognac, okay? Would you lovingly put that to the
I
side?
would love to put this on the side, cousin, for you. This Ferrero Rocher abundance of goodness
Oh, yes.
from La Preciosa.
Mm-hmm. Careful. Okay. Careful. Take good care of that. Good man.
Let us review this.
Let us review. So,
Mangleo, what is the problem?
a proper review. Let's swirl this around because, of course, that's what...
Stop eating the bones!
Okay, so this is not the ideal glassware, everybody, to swirl your cognac in, because what you really want is a tulips glass or a snifter, which
Jill,
means
keep
that it's basically it goes this way. All right. So this is more like a chalice, which is it's more for wine, I guess, but you know I use it for beer. Actually, I use it for beer.
So is this a sipping? Is this a sipping?
Why, of course this is a sipping.
It's not
You
a
know,
shotting.
Yeah, it's not a...
Ooh la la.
Yes, you must sip.
Sip, 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 sip.
Okay.
Oh.
Let us.
Even Warren has a proper glass.
Yeah, of course. That's a wine.
Well, how about us?
Even a martini glass could do, I guess you could
So we'll
say.
take a shot glass. That's fine.
You know, for very sophisticated nobles here in the Philippines, we are lacking in glassware.
That's okay because the substance of what we're drinking is even better, guys.
Yes.
Remember that.
Sorry, Preciosa.
Okay. First of all, we gotta. You have to smell it. Now, of course, you.
So sweet.
Even worse is
Really,
you
Warren? Thank you.
you serve it in that type of glass, a shot glass.
Warren had given me something else.
Okay.
Oh, cousin!
Let us.
At 12,000! What are we doing with this Hennessy XO?
To appreciate it first, you
Shall we
need.
sip it?
Yes, but you have to take in the aromas first, dear cousin.
May I open your wine?
No.
Oh! Somebody has a wine chalice, cousin.
Oh, similar to
come
mine.
on, let's toast, Warren.
Okay, but first you have to. Damn it! You have to properly review. Okay.
How do we properly review this? cousin?
You need to smell the
Toast.
aroma first, and then toast later.
Smell it, Malayo.
I'm getting like cinnamon notes.
I think so.
So you gotta swirl
That
it
was
around.
wrong, man.
No.
You have to swirl it around. Cinnamon, cocoa powder, spices.
Grapes.
Yes, grapes.
Apple.
What?
Buns. Armpit.
Armpit. No, just kidding.
Are you smelling your cake that you given me? Jeez.
Oh, it's a good joke.
It's just a joke, cousin. Cottonberry grape.
And you're getting a little bit of a bent
Oh,
orange.
it's 1,000, right?
What?
1,000 peso, one shot.
1,000 peso per shot, sir.
No,
It's
more
only
than
the
that.
smell.
1.5
I'm only
1.5
drunk.
per shot.
I'm already drunk.
It's a sip. Are we sipping this or are we shotting this?
We're going to sip. At least
We're gonna
the
sip it.
very sophisticated people.
Woo!
Will.
Happy birthday to somebody we do not know.
It's a celebrity's birthday.
Yeah.
Let's just say yes.
Celebrity, bro.
Okay.
Sit. Oh shit.
It's latte.
How does it taste now that you've tried?
Katlada, is na nga nakakaroting
It's so
naman.
soft.
Huh?
It's cold in the inside.
It's not cooling, that's warming.
Oh, it's warming. Yeah, it's warming. Yeah.
Okay, these boys have never had cognac in their lives, let alone one this expensive. They've never had VS or
Can you
VSOP.
explain what cognac is,
XO.
please, cousin? It's a champagne that's been aged, correct?
Yes. And then you take
30
different.
years.
And so you take different spirits of Hennessy, or in this case, Hennessy, yes.
Yes.
And then you mix them, basically, in different, and then you put them in, age them in different barrels. So this definitely tastes oaky.
Very oaky.
Yes,
With a
very
scent of
oaky.
cinnamon.
Yes, cinnamon,
But it is very strong.
but its finish is really
What do
smooth.
you think, Gio? Let's
Okay.
have
Let's have a first timers.
from another country.
It's so strong, sir. Only one sip, and then I feel a little bit dizzy.
What? What?
Yeah. I don't
It's not supposed to do that.
why.
Warren, what about you?
Oh, man. So this when my first time
We know it's your first time.
yeah, I've sipped this one's like my lips like gonna burn.
What?
It's not like it's turning like
How does this compare to?
like spicy.
How does this compare? How
It's like
does?
we're eating spicy noodles.
Oh.
It
Yeah.
has that sensation, is what he's saying.
He's saying you get that spicy sensation. Oh.
okay.
So how does this compare to, let's say, Emperador, which is a brandy?
No,
so
that's-
cognac is a brandy.
It's
It's just that.
40% volume. I don't
Wait,
know.
wait, wait. Well, the thing is, cognac is a brandy, just like Emperador Spanish brandy, right?
Yeah.
The difference is it's a different process, and also this is also hyper localized to cognac in France,
And the price.
So you
as
say,
in the
so
location.
you just say this is 30 years old.
Well, it's very
Cognac.
smooth. If you've
Hennessy XO.
yeah, it's very smooth, you know. Yeah. Double toast.
For the camera.
Yeah, I'm getting more coffee, powdered cocoa now.
It has a bite at the end.
It's kind of like a cinnamon vanilla.
You cut my face.
Sort of. Yeah, its finish is like cinnamon, vanilla.
Ooh la la.
Very clean. You do get some like chocolate, some oak, some leather notes too.
This is
Yeah,
good.
leather.
Oh wait,
Leather.
this is good for poisoning people. You have an enemy. Yeah, just pretending that, just give them. Oh, see, this is a Coke Zero. Would you?
Well,
Chinese. Yeah.
Okay, I like how
this is a poison that's very tasty and it's not gonna kill me.
Expensive poison, cousin.
Yeah, what?
We will die in class.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to. They're so complex.
It's a very complex drink. I can tell you that.
Mm-hmm. It has like a little bit of an orange
Pinainom tayo ng
sort of taste.
Nagkarayot.
Definitely different types of like cloves, some like candied fruits.
Makabadik na.
Try it.
Yeah.
Ako ba
Yeah, it definitely finishes a little peppery.
A strong finish, but it's delicious. Oh,
Strong, but it's smooth.
extra old cognac.
Yeah. This is the king of cognacs, practically. We can always try Remy Martin XO.
Remy Martin.
Yeah. For a little bit cheaper.
Hence.
10,200 pesos locally. Yeah, but this is regarded as the best. It's the most balanced as well.
Delicious.
The original XO. I'm getting some toffee notes too. Like toffee pudding in there too. It's definitely the best. Best cognac.
Mas raman na yung best. Parang nagkaroon na yan.
Yeah, it's so strong.
Actually, not very.
Yeah.
Not as strong though. I mean, for something 40%, I mean, you don't expect it to go down like water, right?
Yes,
No.
sir. Yeah.
It has a little bit of an ethanol burn, but not too much. It's not. It's a very.
I'm
when
pretty sure that we can finish that.
Why?
Yeah, 100%.
we can or cannot.
Cannot.
Are you sure?
You sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Sorry.
Okay.
I'm trying to sip it, but if I cut it, I will finish.
It's so tasty though, yes?
Yeah.
And it's really smooth. Very smooth.
Naismoke yung nagkaroon eh. Sobrang yan.
I will be addicted to this.
I'll be addicted to this. Warren, has it grown on you?
Nah, not really.
No. Travesty, Warren. Oh, goodness, Squire Warren. Okay, maybe I should start you off on a VSOP and see how good that is, right?
Yeah.
And then you're gonna taste the difference. So XOs, you definitely don't want to mix this in a cocktail. So like a sidecar, old fashioned, you use a VSOP. VSOP will do you well because if you do it with XO and you don't upgrade the ingredients to say Grand Marnier, it's gonna taste really floral and it does not taste good. I once had a Sazerac in Las Vegas, and the bartender was like, "Oh, I can put XO in here," and I said, "Okay, I'll try it." But what wound up happening was a really floral mess. So it's better to actually to mix it with VSOP. Cheers again.
Cheers.
Whereas XO, you've got to.
It's somebody's birthday.
It's somebody's birthday. His Filipino birthday. His American birthday is tomorrow, which is
that is
the real-
correct.
Yes.
The next day, we are celebrating again.
Yes, it's 2 birthdays in a row. A 2-day birthday.
Yes, Uncle.
It's a very tasty cognac. It's a very strong cognac. It's a very old one. You can taste it in the flavors. Very leathery notes.
Very oaky.
Peppery, oaky, and
I
delicious.
get some more cinnamon notes.
Sorry,
more
makes me
of the
sneeze.
leather. Yes, a little bit of like coriander in there. Just a teeny bit.
You taste the cardamom, cousin.
Why, yes, a little bit. It feels like the East India Company has dumped a little bit of subtle hints in the cognac.
I feel the same way.
Chin chin.
Chin chin, cousin.
Chin
To
chin.
the
dear.
12,000 peso cognac.
12,300 pesos.
I'm sorry, let's correct that. 12,300. Malaya, where are you at?
Tapos na ako, sir, oh. Ang tagal mo kasi.
But you have to sip.
You have to savor it, Slonayo. Here, I shall shot it too.
You guys want to shot it too? Yeah.
Jesus, that's strong. Jesus! XO's is strong.
Yeah, but for me, stuff is still like the best stuff. I mean, you know, you do get like a lingering ethanol burn, just a teensy bit in your throat.
That's what I feel.
But when it goes down, it's just very smooth, as if very silky, smooth.
Feel, Gio? It goes out very smooth.
Does it go down smooth down your throat?
Yeah, it has a burn in my throat and then it's so smooth after that.
Do you like things down your throat?
Ah, wait.
I'm just it's a question.
It's like you eating wasabi. I mean, like if you have.
It's not the same because wasabi goes through your nose.
Just like 3 seconds, but your
Clears your fungus.
But what he's trying to say is that the burn is in your throat. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
it burns.
Do you like stuff down your throat usually?
wasabi.
No,
Yeah.
more.
No, I think he's just meaning in general.
That's weird.
Huh?
Odd.
It's odd. It's weird. It's odd.
It's odd. Wow. Odd! You're expanding your lexicon, Squire Warren!
Wow!
Odd.
New words are coming out now. Odd.
It's a bit odd that Squire Warren is expanding
His
lexicon.
lexicon.
Lexicon. Actually, it's actually us aristocrats should say lexicon instead of lexicon. How American is that?
I understand, cousin. We're bringing ourselves down by saying it that way.
Yes. You need to go.
What are you doing? You're looking at your phone again.
You're not appreciating the cognac.
The cognac.
You're gonna appreciate it by breathing. Gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So good, sir.
Definitely getting more chocolate notes. A bit like Hershey's Cocoa, would you say?
It's a bit rougher. I can tell you right now. And it makes me sneeze. When I sneeze, it makes me drunk. He's sneezing too, so this is a very strong cognac.
Yeah.
May I add? It's delicious. Leather, chocolate, those notes I can feel. And at the very end, it has a very
Spicy vanilla note.
very spicy note at the very end. Delicious.
Mm-hmm.
May I have some more?
Yes, may I have some more? Oh, my manners, I must finish.
And it's sticky
If you take a bigger, wait. If you take it as a shot, you're gonna feel a difference.
Why, sir? Okay, can I take? Okay, let's try. More, sir?
Please,
Yes, some more. And then we'll try our cakes.
No, for square already.
Cakes.
How about Melito? I'm Leo.
Sit lang. Sir.
I'm definitely getting a toffee finish too, toffee
This
aftertaste.
is how 12,000 tastes in a glass.
Okay, you boys try to do a shot.
Okay.
Try to do a shot. I'm gonna enjoy this
I will
though.
do it together. with
Okay,
them.
let's go.
Shot? Seriously?
Yeah,
seriously.
yeah, do it. You're gonna feel that it's. You're gonna be pleasantly surprised. Go.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh, that kick.
That's a bird.
Really? I don't know. It goes down smooth for me, man.
Yeah, but it's smooth. After the kick
Naglamoy na
here
sa
in the
bird.
throat.
It's strong. I'll be honest with you. It's
Yeah,
strong
it's
and there's a burn.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing? You're supposed to go with us. I'll do it. Take it.
Yeah, you guys fucking immortal.
Yeah, but take the side. It's good, sir.
It's strong. Jeez. Wow. Take it all, Warren.
I love you, Henry.
I just.
No. Take it all, Warren.
No sip because.
If you
No,
sip,
no.
it's starting to taste a little buttery too, like a like a teeny.
Tastes like a butt. I just enjoy.
Not a butt.
Enjoying the 12,396.
Oh, Warren,
That's the fact.
Squire Warren has taken after his sire.
He's
Very, very well.
he wants to taste the 12,000. Okay, go. Let him say about that.
Mmm.
Gio and I have taken the other side to see how that shot will make us feel. Just kidding.
This is very loopy.
Malayo is in his own little words, of course, with his phone.
Yes. It's just a nice aftertaste. Look at the aftertaste. Just quite clean. Vanilla, some cinnamon notes, dried fruit. Definitely getting some dried fruit. Definitely getting like a buttery toffee pudding out of that. It's the stuff you drink for special occasions. Truly. Fantastic. Now, cake, chocolate cake is a good pairing with cognac.
Okay. Warren.
Okay, we're cutting cakes. Yes. Now, this, of course, looks very good.
Plastic.
Ferrero Rocher sansrival from La Preciosa. And I reviewed La Preciosa before, the restaurant and the bakery. And I did think that I'll see if it's going to be a little sweeter than I remember it. I remember it being very refined. But for me, I like my chocolate to be sinfully decadent now. That's being redundant. But yes. I mean, I want it to be as lush and luxurious as this. But, you know, I'll give it another try and see, you know, if I find it a little bit sweeter for my like. Whoa. Ooh la la, Warren, that's a massive, massive piece. Oh, you're gonna just do it in quarters. But either way, my mouth's salivating. I can't wait to dive right back in. Because look at the icing. Oh, dear cousin.
Yes.
We are slicing our cake.
Oh, delicious!
Ferrero Rocher
sansrival cake from La Preciosa.
You have to say it as a Ferrero Rocher sansrival.
Sansrival.
Yeah, en français.
En français.
We must never forget our Eton and Sorbonne upbringing, dear cousin.
From La Preciosa.
Yes.
Jesus.
Shout out.
That looks delicious.
Shout out to Auntie Pam from La Preciosa.
Thank you, Auntie Pam.
Yeah.
Tita Pam.
Yeah.
God, it looks delicious. And thank you for the
macaroons.
Macaroons.
French macaroons.
Delicious. It's not like any other macaroons here because obviously they come like ugly and like.
Yeah. I mean, the premier bakery here in Ilocos Norte. It's safe to say.
The premier bakery of.
So
Ilocos
if you
Norte.
guys make it out here up north to Ilocos Norte, make sure to visit Auntie Pam at La Preciosa. Maybe we'll do a review once we go to her new place.
I mean, look at this. Delicious.
Ah.
Oh my goodness.
Is that
luscious?
And of course, I have to show our cognac.
So cognac in dessert is always in effect.
Yes. Okay. Let us go for our Ferrero Rocher sansrival.
Oh my God! I want to
look at the thin layers there. It feels like a lot of icing, and the thin sort of airy cake that's there. Let's give that a try. And definitely has those almonds there that jump out at me here.
So you don't want a second? You want a second bite of it? I'll take it away. You don't like it?
You know, why don't you have a bite? Why don't you have a bite of the sansrival for yourself?
Okay. May I try?
Yeah. Buttery, almond, and then light chocolate flavor.
Not so sweet. Just right. Oh my God. You know when you have no words to say anything, it's like, but there's like the nuts. I think it's walnuts. It's not so sweet. That's the best part of it. It's just right. And then the creaminess of the chocolate. Oh, it's delicious. Y'all have to have it. You all have to try it once. Oh my God. Just even one bite. Jesus, it's really delicious.
It's really coconutty too. Something about it tastes coconutty.
Yeah,
too,
but it's
so.
not. There's no coconut in there. But it's delicious.
It almost
wow and yum. Yum, yum, and yum. You'll have to try it. It's really, you can't explain it.
For me,
Wow, that's yum.
For me-
Pam, awesome job. It says there's walnuts in there. Is that walnuts?
that little chunk looks like a walnut more than it does an almond.
And now, where can you find walnuts in the Philippines, guys? Seriously, it's really difficult to find.
Yeah.
So that is a top-notch cake. Wow, that you can order for your family. And it's really not at a bad price compared to what the other prices of other cakes are.
Or certain cakes
Yeah.
that are customized, yeah. Okay. For me, I'm gonna say again, I wish this was a teensy bit sweeter. I love the decadence, I guess, but you can pair it with this cake instead.
I have to disagree with them. And we never disagree on stuff usually. I like the fact that it's not so sweet because that's usually the Filipinos thing is like, oh, it's really sweet.
Not when it comes to chocolate.
But if you have the American palate, guys, it needs to be sweeter. Honestly. But I think that's where the Ferrero Rocher,
Comes in.
yes, the little candies come in.
Yeah.
But it's really, to me, it's a perfect mix of sweetness and non-sweetness. It's very, but yes, okay, I can understand where he's saying that, yeah, it has to be a little sweeter, but it makes you, the less sweetness makes you wanting more. If that makes sense.
Yeah. Okay.
It's really good. Yeah.
Okay. Well, yeah. So that's why I
It's a
said.
fair thing, right?
That's why I said when I reviewed this the first time. That's light, airy, and it's really light. The icing is really light, lighter than buttercream, which is really nice. I just, for me personally, taste. It's like I want something like decadent, like that chocolate. But we'll get to that.
Hold on, everyone.
Oh. Yeah, to me that chocolate's kind of like, it's just really light. Almost like a light mocha, I could say. Okay, on that note, this is the 400 peso red ribbon cake. But this is like, I think like for Philippine cakes, they really love this kind of like sponge cake sort of thing going for it. And then the chocolate for me is typically not all that sweet as I'm thinking, which is kind of always a downer for me. But anyway, let's try this red ribbon chocolate cake. It has more of like that dark chocolate lush feel, especially in that icing. And there's like little chocolate chips studded in it, but it's not as decadent as I would think, or as decadent as I would otherwise think. Because every time you see something like this that looks like that, your expectation goes ratcheting up if you're expecting something like over the top sweet and such. Which I love. Like my ideal favorite chocolate is chocolate ganache, like dark chocolate, just the right amount of milk content there, and then silky smooth when the chocolate, so silky smooth, but yet not like cloyingly sweet. I understand you don't want it like cloyingly sweet. I agree with that. But then I would want something, quite decadent. But if I had to choose, I would say La Preciosa on the ethereal texture of that cake.
I think I would say that that's this chocolate cake from Red Ribbon is more commercial.
Yes.
You want something really special for your family or something like different?
Yeah.
Try La Preciosa. It's really, I'm not biased, but it's so different. It's sansrival with Ferrero Rocher.
Yeah.
Wow. And it's not so sweet. I love the fact that it's not so sweet.
And if you want sweet, let's go to our cognac.
Yum.
It jives with like the powdered chocolate sort of character you get out of Hennessy XO.
This cake, La Preciosa one, keeps you wanting more because it's not so sweet.
Okay, and it makes me want more cognac in that sense.
Yes.
It soaks up the liquor very well too.
Yes. Delicious, actually. 3,000 for this cake?
Yeah.
Jesus. Red Ribbon and La Preciosa put together is less than that, and they're better. Sorry, guys. We are being honest, and we're trying to give you an honest opinion about what you need to do.
And then the double
Right
honest
now.
thing for me, as far as I'm concerned, go get another tomahawk ribeye instead.
Yes. True.
Yeah. Especially
Interesting.
because we're the ones who finished all that stuff. Okay. All right. So that's a review of all these
Cakes.
weird cakes. Well, this really
look
weird
at this.
cake.
Look at this compared to this. Look.
Yeah.
Jesus, it's night and day.
What in the world?
Francis Sweet sucks. Sorry, guys. I had to honestly sucks. Look at this. This is still La Preciosa. Looks amazing after we cut it up. This looks like somebody butchered it. Jeffrey Dahmer? What?
Everybody here in the Philippines, look up Jeffrey Dahmer on your spare
Yeah.
time and, you know, have a lovely day after reading all that stuff. All right, that's the best note that I can possibly end this on. The Hennessy XO Cognac, I love. I don't know if you love it. I don't know. I don't know if any of these boys really
I love it, sir.
You love it? Gio loves it.
I love it, sir.
I love it,
Yeah, yeah. So,
It's got so much.
yeah, just because of that. Okay.
No,
Why is he?
I love the.
Why is he hugging the box?
Oh, I never seen Henry C in my entire life, sir. So I'm hugging the box. And I'm
Henry
thinking
C.
this is-
It's Henry C, not Henry C.
Hennessy.
Henry C's the guy that does.
Okay. So, yeah, on that note, everybody, Hennessy XO, if you can save up the money on special occasion, especially if your loved one loves, you know, getting drunk but looking very classy while doing so, well, get him that, or get her that bottle. For $12,300 or over $200 US dollars, it's awesome. La Preciosa, Ferrero Rocher, awesome
Yum!
cake. Even though we kind of disagree, but you know what? I can definitely see the merits of that. Red Ribbon, for a cheaper price,
Good.
you're going to get a good bang for your buck if you love decadent chocolate cakes. There you go. Or mix the two like we did. With
And
some
Francis
cognac.
Sweets. We had to promote that.
And
Sucks balls. Sucks like balls. Don't eat that. That's terrible. Opinion. Don't sue me. It sucks. Sorry.
Okay, yes. Okay. All right, everybody. Everybody, let's end it on positive vibes. Warren, good vibes long. Where are you? Spiel.
Alright, subscribe and do the video.
What?
Yeah.
Wow,
If you like this video, guys, just subscribe and yeah, for more updates. Peace.
Okay. I think the cognac hit him hard. Well, maybe he's bummed out that I didn't like his cake. And that...
No, maybe that's why.
Okay, everybody, we'll cheer up Warren later on.
Yeah. Loves the lotion on its skin.
An extra layer of skin on there.
No.
It even smells like latex.
No.
They even
No.
they got that stuff down.
No. Don't ever go. Do I have to say their name again?
Yeah, I know. But I just
Terrible. Sorry. Francine Sweets? No. Francine Sweets? Is that what he got for him? Never. La Preciosa. Yes.
because what you're paying for is the latex too. all right, everyone. Okay, everybody.
Bye.
Yeah, cognac, blah blah
Don't
blah.
eat that shit ever, guys. It's terrible.
Okay, it's made out of latex, everybody. So don't. Okay, the moral of the story of this video, elongated video, is do not ingest artificial latex made out of marzipan icing
From
or whatever.
Francine Sweets. Don't eat there.
Okay,
Ever.
okay, and then keep cool but care. Remember, the empire never ended. That this is this one crumbled though.